Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change wheel bearing and float on Mercedes CLS. So recently I've done pre-MOT check on this car. I've noticed that both this side and the other side have quite a bit of play in the wheel bearing. So you would check by grabbing it at 12 and 6, giving it a bit of a shake, and also at 9 and 3, and both ways, but mainly at the top over here got quite a bit of play. And I did check, and it's none of the ball joints and none of the bushes. So on these Mercedes CLS's, behind the wheel there's a cap that and then there's like a twisting nut that you can adjust, but I'll be showing you anyways. So obviously the first thing you need to do, you need to lift up the vehicle and take the wheel off. And then now, so you will take something like a chisel or a screwdriver works as well, and a hammer. And then you've got this cap on here, and you just hammer it out. Just like that. Yeah, but once you got your cover off, you've got this thing to look at, and inside here you've got this like nut that's got a hex key or a hex bolt from the side. So what you do is undo this bolt, which I shall demonstrate. It is a 5mm Allen key. So you undo it. Don't need to undo it much, just enough so that you can then turn this. So we'll tighten this up a bit, and then tighten this back down. And what we'll do is we'll put the wheel back on with 3 bolts and then check for play once again. We'll play again. And there's absolutely zero play in this now. So what we can do now, take the wheel back off, and then we can put the cap back on. When refitting this cap, this is only a bit of aluminium probably, or steel, whatever. Use a rubber mallet or a plastic one, otherwise it's going to get dented if you use a metal hammer. Just get it lined up. Even with this, I still bend it a bit, but nowhere as bad as it would have been with a metal hammer. So, and then we can obviously put our wheel back on. Lower the torque back down, and then torque the wheels. So just like that, this is how you adjust your wheel bearings on a Mercedes CLS.